So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to invite someone to join TikTok live. So first of all, after you open up your TikTok app like this, all you have to do now. So suppose the TikTok live that you want to invite someone, it is someone's TikTok live, it is not your own. All you have to do now, go and open the live session, this one. So in this live session, as you can see now, here it is now live. So now if I want to invite someone to join this TikTok live, all I have to do now, I'll just tap on the share button, this one, this share button. So after you tap on this share button, all you have to do now, you can go through this one, as you can see now, to read these people to search for the person. But if you can't find the person in this session now, just swipe this one like this. So now you can tap on this more again, allow it to finish loading. So in this session, all you have to do now, tap on this copy. So now tap on this copy to copy the link of this live. So copy the link of the live. So now I copied the link on this live. So now I'll just go back and share the link to the person that I want him to come and join this live. So for example, I want to like share the link to this person. I'll just swipe like this and tap on this message button. So I'll just send the link to this person, and the person, so as you can see now I send the invitation link. As you can see now, this link is the live TikTok link. So now if this person now click on this link, you can be able now to join the live. That's it guys on how to invite someone to join TikTok live. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.